We are STs. I'm very proud ST, true AngTiprasa, very proud. Now I'll tell you, we've raised the demand for Greater Tipraland. A lot of people are here from Telangana. We've raised the demand for a separate state called Tipraland. Now you're talking about misinformation. Our community said that, oh, but these are secessionists. We've asked within the Constitution of India. But there was a propaganda calling the entire movement anti-India. The fact was that we were always within the Constitution of India, we still are, and we're still raising the demand, because we have a constitutional right. Otherwise, you make a law in the Constitution, except for Tripura, every state can demand it, you will abide by it. But till the time it is there in the Constitution, we have every right to ask. But there is a counter-propaganda which you are talking about, where you say Internet is not free. Absolutely right. Internet is not free. Internet is given to people, and as I said, WhatsApp University. There's the counter-propaganda, which then is a series of disinformation. These are Pakistan lobby. Abhinandan is a Pakistan lobby. Maybe somebody is a China lobby. Somebody is an anti-India lobby. Now this information keeps on going on and on. But that's where educated students like you, who have conviction, who may differ, but yet is ready to have a debate and not a duel. India is not about annihilation of one language. India is about assimilation. As we end this conversation, I want India to be a salad bowl. Right? What is a melting point? A melting point is you lose your identity. You lose your identity and you become one fondue. Right? But a salad bowl is where you may be a cherry tomato, you may be a lettuce, you may be a jalapeno, whatever. You retain your original taste, but when mixed together, you taste wonderful. We retain our culture, and yet we are one as a country. Now, for that to be countered, we need young people like you, all the young people here, and of course the octogenarians to lead us as well, because this is not the India I would like to see in the next 10-15 years. This India has to change, and this India cannot change with only the politician. It has to change with the civil society. And people like you have a huge role to play, and we hope that you will do so in the coming years. Thank you.